Hello everybody and welcome to Peoples and Cultures of the Middle East. I'm going to be your instructor, Dr. Michael Zimmerman, and I'm going to just sort of introduce you in this video to the course, which is Anthropology 216, Peoples and Cultures of the Middle East. Now this course is a study of the Middle East from an anthropological perspective, which means a cultural perspective. It also is a speaking intensive course. Most of the speaking intensive requirements will take the place of class roundtable discussions on our various units. And in addition to that, you'll have to do one practice speech and 2 5-minute researched speeches. So that's going to be the total expectations for the course. The course itself is going to consist of, just going to shorten that for a second. It's going to consist of 8 total units, which I'd like to review with you now. I would also suggest that you go through and take a close look at the course syllabus here on the Getting Started page as well, and go through and use Flipgrid to introduce yourself to the course, because I want to know about you, I want to know about your hobbies and interests, and we're going to take those hobbies and interests and passions that you have, and we're going to turn those into the topics for our speeches. So for today, I'd like to sort of introduce you to the course and the different units of the course that we're going to be looking at. Our first unit is basically an introduction to the course. We're going to introduce ourselves. We're going to talk about a little bit about the Middle East, and we're going to introduce the concepts of ethnocentrism and cultural relativism into the equation. For Unit 2, we're going to talk about the geography of the Middle East, not just the physical geography of the Middle East, or the demographics of the Middle East. We're also going to talk about the MENA region, that is the Middle East and North Africa region, and the stereotypes that we have in the West of that region. In Unit 3, we're going to discuss Edward Said's theory of Orientalism and how that sort of reinforces Western stereotypes about the Middle East. In Unit 4, we're going to apply anthropological concepts to the study of Middle Eastern culture. How can we look at the Middle East from an ethnographic perspective instead of from a westernized Orientalist perspective? In Unit 4, we're going to have a case study on identity, looking specifically at the Awlad Ali Bedouin of Western Egypt. In Unit 6, we're going to talk about everyday life, dress, language, music, sport, and especially food. And we're going to watch the Iran episode of Anthony Bourdain's Parts Unknown, which focuses on the food and culture of modern Iran. Unit 7 is going to be an Anthropology of Islam. So we're going to look at Islam from an anthropological perspective. And then we're going to finish up with Unit 8 on modern politics and policies. It's important for you to know that I am available to you 24/7 via email or cell phone, both of which are posted on the course syllabus. And I'm here to help you through this odd COVID-19 filled fall 2020 semester. So just know I'm available to you 24/7 with anything that you need. Welcome to Peoples and Cultures of the Middle East.